Team take profits on the move, the movement is real. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And thank you guys for tuning in to a video. Hey, by the way, I hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July. Me and the kids, we had a good time. Say what's up, Royal. What's up? Say what's up, YouTube. They can't see you. Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi, Roman, to the camera? Hi. That's the YouTube family. Can y'all see them back there? I think y'all can see them. Yeah, they just riding with me. We just left the golf store, trying to, you know, work out, seeing what I could do with my driver, make it a little bit better. But I wanted to make this video because I wanted to show you guys why I am 80% win rate. And it's not all, you know, flashy. It's not all like perfect all the time. Part of me being 80% win rate is knowing when to cut my winning trade short. Like, most of y'all hear me say that and be like, what? Cut your winning trade short. What I mean is, I'm actually in a fake out. What I mean is, look at Royal talking about, What you talking about, some You know what I'm talking about, girl? That girl funny back there. But she's smart as ever. Do not doubt these kids. But what I was saying was, like, yeah, I'm up. I'm winning. Hey, boy, be quiet. But I'm up. I'm winning, right? And I can tell that it's, you know what? It's a structure level I probably didn't identify earlier. Or, you know what? I'm getting some reversal candlestick patterns popping up on a 15-minute chart, right? Setup was on the 1 hour. But I'm starting to get these candlestick patterns popping up, right? And I'm not going to be, I initially went in with take profit of about 15-20 pips, but this reversal candlestick pattern is starting to pop up around 10 pips. I'm not going to just hold my trade all the way to take profit because that's where I set it to, and I'm just like stubborn and it got to hit my TP or nothing. No, I'm going to cut that trade short. I'm going to take my profit quicker than expected. I do that, team. I do that. You know what I'm saying? And I know it's a lot of people who's like, hey, you're going to have to hit my 20 pip take profit or I'm going to lose this trade. You know what I'm saying? Or it's either ride or die. And no, I'm cutting. Hey, I'm recording. Sorry, y'all. I'm leaving all that in. I ain't editing nothing. It's raw. So yeah, so that's what your boy do. And a lot of times, you know, those fake outs happen. The market is dynamic. You went in at 2 o'clock with a good structure and everything was working good, but then as soon as London opened at 3 o'clock, things change. The market is dynamic. You have to move with the market. All right. What was set up for 2 o'clock may change at 3 o'clock, team. Hey, y'all making too much noise. So that's what it is. That's what it is. I'm going to take y'all to the charts. No more talking. I'm going to show y'all how I pull these trades out, or how I pull these trades off. I made about 7,000. I traded GU and gold. Stay tuned. Watch this. All right, guys. So we're here on GBP USD 1 hour chart. Actually, let's go to the daily right quick. Now look at this. We all know this thing been trending. So I'm looking to take a buy. Right? Why not follow the trend? Right? We're trying to follow the trend more times than not. Right here was a pullback. Let me see if I can. So right here was a pullback. Okay, we got a pullback to the 50. We got a retest. Can you see that? So, all right. And then we get the push up here. Now here's another retest. All right. And this candlestick pattern right here shows you that we're looking to buy. That's the candlestick pattern that I was looking for to take some buys. So here we go, trying to take some buys. All right. And in this, like I just like this video, like I prefaced this video about, fake, price faking out. Because look at this. When this was ready to go and it retested, this thing shot out, right? That was not a fake out. So I ended up getting into this buy and it ended up, faking out a little bit. Because I was thinking that we was going to go for another run. So my entry was right here. This was my entry. All right. All right. So now we're on the hour chart, and now you can kind of see, you can kind of see what it was looking like. So you see the retest. Now you guys need to watch my videos on the 50 moving average strategy on how I, caught this. You guys need to watch that video. But you see the retest on this joint, and then now I'm taking an entry right up in here. I feel like it was a good trade, you know what I'm saying? Because the way the Dixie is at, if you look at the Dixie chart, the dollar index, and you look at this GBP, we're looking to continue to the upside. So I'll take an entry, right? And that's pretty good move. I'm like, okay, we in this boy. I'm about to ride this thing. Now look what happens here. Bam. Look at that. I got one little push up. Mind you, when I took you to the daily chart, you saw this boy was going up like crazy. It was hardly no pullbacks. So I thought that it would go up more than that. You know what I mean? I thought we'd go up more than that. All right. I was looking for something like up to these levels. Can you see this? Should we looking for a big move. Mostly you ask anybody, we looking for GBP, really, you know what I'm saying? We looking for this boy to go up. So, especially with this inverted head and shoulders. Oops, wrong one. Right here. We was looking for this to go up. If y'all can see this on my chart, hopefully it ain't too light. But yeah, we was looking for this boy to go up. And eventually did, but it took NFP to do it. So we was just a day too early to expect this. So trades like this, like I get in and I have high expectations. And you know what? If I don't see it working out, if I see a pullback, if I see a reversal type candlestick pattern pop up, an indecision candle pop up, then I'm out. You know what I mean? I'm out. And I'm not going to let it come all the way back to my entry and get stopped out at break even. No, I'm taking profit at the highest point that I can identify it. It's better safe than sorry, team. That's why I'm 80%. Now, this is a nice little size move. But sometimes, like, this happens. You see this? Sometimes that happens. And I can identify that, and I close the trade out. And I probably only got 8 pips out of that whole trade. I was going for 15, 12. I end up getting 8 because I identified that this trade is not working out. This trade is already showing signs of turning around. Because I understand those retest candlestick patterns, those reversal, those pullback type candlestick patterns. I understand those. I mastered those. All right. And if you guys want to master them, I got a little cheat sheet that I can give you guys I can send it to your email. All right. Because I follow this cheat sheet and you don't even have to memorize it. You can just look at it. When you think something is pulling back or faking out on you, it's all the same. So I'm out of the trade. Sometimes I'm out of the trade 8 pips. Sometimes I'm out of the trade 10 pips. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying, I just get all my pips that I was looking for. But that's what keeps me. I think what keeps me on the winning side, 80%, sometimes more. You know what I mean? From the month, 85% win rate. Like my results is insane. It's because I know how to get out of this trade, and it's not like binary options where you have to predict a certain direction for 2 minutes straight or whatever it is, and you can't get out the trade if it's going south on you. No, Forex, no, skip that. I want to be able to control my money. I want to be able to control this, and so I don't want you to take me being able to get out of the trade away from me. You can't take that away from me. Because then this is like gambling at that point. All right, so that's GBP. Then look at this. Watch this. NFP comes. This is what I was expecting. There we go. See that move? See that move that I pointed out to you earlier? Way over here. Even higher. That's what I was expecting on the first push. That's what I was expecting on the first push, team. But it came a day later. But thank God I was able to identify that and get out the trade. Now let's switch over to gold. All right, so same thing. I took a buy on gold. I mean, I made about $7,000, team, but the moves were, and the moves were not what I was expecting. I was expecting a bigger move because even with gold, it was an inverse head and shoulders. Look at this, right? You got this level here, you got this level here, and you got the head sitting here, right? You got this level here, this left shoulder, and then you got this right shoulder. So I'm looking to take a buy right up in here, and it happened. It pushed up, and then look what happens. It just drops, but then it comes right back up for NFP. Non-farm payroll. So it's just that I understand how to get out of these trades at the highest point before it reverses and take my money away. I understand how to pull this off, and I know how to do this on a smaller scale too. Here's another one. If you took a buy, if you was in a buy down here, right up in here, and then it goes all the way up, and then it just wicks out. You got to be able to know how to take that profit. You got to know how to get out of this trade. And sometimes they won't even go that high. You got to know how to cut it quicker. So you got to, even like this one, watch this one. You got to be able to know how to cut this one. That's if you get into this one. You probably won't get into that one if you took a buy. I'm just trying to show you examples. You probably would have took, or look at this one right here. You probably would have took a buy on this one, maybe. Look at these fake outs. So guys, email me at info@teamtakeprofits.net. info@teamtakeprofits.net. It'll be in the comments. It'll be pinned in the comments, and it's in the description section below this video. Email me at info@teamtakeprofits.net, and I will send you the retest candlestick pattern cheat sheet. It's really powerful, and you can mix and match them. You can mix and match them because they don't always, print out exactly on the cheat sheet. So sometimes you can mix and match the retest candlesticks or the reversal candlestick patterns. You can mix and match them, and if you get like at least two of the candlesticks popping up, that's pretty much going to be a reversal. This cheat sheet is powerful, and I would love to share it with you guys. So all right, team, I'm gonna get out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the weekend, and I gotta get some stuff done today. I gotta make some runs. I got these kids with me, so hopefully this video blessed you with at least understanding. Take your profit. Don't be stubborn. Take your profit. When you see this thing is about to turn around, it's better to be safe than sorry. You will have another chance, another crack at it to get those pips that you really was looking for. All right? Hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for your boy. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.